Hi everyone.
In this video, we're going to be teaching you how to clean your contact lens and your contact lens case properly. In our last two videos, we went through different techniques and tips on how to insert and remove your contact lenses. We'll leave a link in the description box below if you haven't seen those or if you need a refresher. Otherwise, do you want to get us started, Andy?
Thanks, Pricilla. Apart from daily disposable lenses, all other lenses need to be thoroughly cleaned and disinfected after each use to minimize the risk of infection and damage to your eyes. Make sure you get into the habit of doing the cleaning right after you put your lenses in. Once you've put your contact lenses in, tip out all the old solution, give it a rinse with the multi-purpose solution, use a tissue to dry it, and then air dry it upside down on top of a dry tissue. So at the end of the day, your case will be dry and ready for you to put your lenses back in.
When you're done with your lenses for the day, you need to give it a clean after you take it out before putting it into the case. Place your lens onto the palm of your hand and place a few drops of the multi-purpose solution onto the lens and use the padded part of your index finger to rub each side of the contact lens for 15 seconds or so. Then give it a bit of a rinse with the solution. Then place your contact lens into the case. Make sure it's fully submerged. I find putting the solution in first earlier makes it easier for you to place the lens in, or you can put the lens in first and then the solution. Tighten the cap over the top and then let it disinfect overnight and it'll be ready to go in the morning.
Over the years, we've noticed that patients change the order of when they rub and rinse their contacts. Sometimes they do it before they put their lenses in rather than after they remove it. However, this makes the disinfecting process less effective since the purpose of the rub and rinse is to help loosen up any bacteria or protein deposits stuck on the lens. After you've done that, the lens can be disinfected in the case more effectively overnight.
Remember, even with proper cleaning, you need to change your contact lens case at least every 3 months. And a good rule of thumb is if you're a full-time wearer, is that when you finish the big bottle of solution, it should be around the same time to change it. You can also use a marker and write down the date you started using it onto the contact lens case itself.
If you aren't wearing your contact lenses for more than a week, change your contact lens solution the night before you're going to wear them so it can be disinfected properly, as contact lens solution loses its disinfecting properties after a period of time.
Let us know in the comments if you knew about rubbing and rinsing your contact lenses. And if you want to know about other good contact lens habits, check out this video here. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe so you know when we post new videos discussing your common eye questions.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.